everyone. My name's Allie Goodwin from Haven Homes and Lifestyle at Keller Williams Coastal Realty. And I just wanted to pop in today to give you a little real estate tip in this spring market that we're coming into. If you're considering selling your home, one of the best pieces of advice that we give our homeowners is to have a pre-inspection done on your home before you list your property. So you would hire a home inspector and they would come and do the full inspection and provide you with a full report afterwards. And we would go over that with you and identify any issues that might come up during a home inspection that a buyer might do once you're under contract. It costs you short dollars on the front end to save you thousands of dollars later on in negotiations, and a lot of time, energy, hassle, and stress, of course. We want you to have a very smooth transaction. So to that end, the team and I at Haven Homes and Lifestyle would like to offer you a free pre-home inspection in the next 12 months. So if you're considering listing in the spring, summer, fall, next winter, we'd like to help you out, and we'd like to save you even more money. And of course, the more money you save on this end, the more you'll net on that end. So at closing. So give us a call, 603-957-8466. Again, my name is Allie Goodwin from Haven Homes and Lifestyle at Keller Williams Coastal Realty. And we can't wait to hear from you. Take care.